If you're looking to start designing a blog site from scratch, the best thing to do is head to Writener and choose the sequence of templates called Blog Builder. Blog Builder includes 13 templates specifically designed for the strategic design and creation of a blog site. The logic of this task is to identify a target audience and a blog concept, get an AI usable version of it, and provide them both as input to all the following templates, so you always have results that are highly consistent with the entire project. To begin, we choose a famous blog that we want to inspire or capture the audience of. So, let's go to the product awareness checker and enter both the name of the chosen competitor and the country where it is most famous. For example, let's take the well-known blog Camille Styles and enter USA as the main nationality. This step is to know if the site we have chosen is present in the AI training and therefore if the information we will get in the following steps will be reliable. If it is present, we will have a very short report that we will save on a notepad. Otherwise, the AI will tell us that it is not aware of the chosen competitor and we will have to choose another one. At this point, we move on to Target Audience Identification 1. Here, after choosing the output language, we will enter the general category of the competitor, as identified by the AI in the previous step, the name of the competitor, and the main nationality of its audience. What we get is a first psychographic report related to our competitor's audience. This profile can be a goldmine if we learn to read and exploit it because it represents the audience we intend to address with the blog we are about to create. We copy this report and save it on a file for future reference. With the next template, Target Identification 2, which is optional, we repeat the same steps and get a second, even more detailed report on the same audience. We also save this result in the same file and proceed. Now, the information we have collected about the audience we intend to address is priceless for us humans, but it is not in a format useful for further processing with AI. With the next template, we go to reduce them and save a version that we can reuse whenever we want in the next templates. So we go to copy the previous outputs into the appropriate form and let the machine reduce the data to an AI usable format. We copy and paste this reduced report on the target audience into a notepad and always keep it available as we will use it again. The next template is the heart of this sequence, the blog concept builder. What we are about to get is the complete project of a blog that we can create, complete with all the useful information to start. So we insert the reduced report on the target audience that we previously saved, and click on Generate Text. Remember that you can regenerate the answer as many times as you want, getting many possible variations on the project, until you find the one that meets your needs, and that you can vary the output by setting a different level of creativity. In the end, you will have a general idea, 3 potential blog titles, distinctive reasons compared to the original product, 5 categories each containing 3 themes, and several possible products to sell on the blog. Once we choose the project we like, we save it in a file for our future reference and proceed. With the next template, we do the same thing we did for the data of our target audience. We go to reduce them to get a reduced format usable by the AI for future reprocessing. So we insert the entire blog concept obtained in the previous step and let the machine reduce it to an AI usable format. At this point, we have what we wanted, a report on the target audience and a blog concept tailored to our audience. Keep them always available and proceed. The next templates will all require the reduced blog concept and target audience as input. Keep in mind that you are not obligated to use exactly the reports obtained previously. If you are working for a client and want to speed up the work even more, you can write a blog concept and a target audience of your own. Naturally, the more information you give to the AI, the better the results you will get. Template number 6, Blog Editorial Plan, will give you an initial editorial plan to refer to for all future publications. So enter the blog concept and target audience and have fun. You will get a general description of the plan, a content direction that includes 3 possible articles for each category, and a first week planning with sales suggestion. Very similar steps will also be required for the lead magnet concept creator and the newsletter planner. The article topic creator is another very advanced template that will give you many more ideas for topics to cover in your articles, including keywords. This template, which of course is based on the blog concept and the target audience like the others, also has an optional form where you can enter topics already covered that you want to exclude from the output. For the remaining templates, the logic does not change. To conclude our project, we can still get many useful keywords using the keyword provider, other titles for our articles, with the title creator and the cliffhanger titles creator. And, if we want, we can also carry out a further in-depth analysis on our target audience, based on the jobs to be done methodology, with which we will know our audience even better. This was a quick presentation of the sequence of templates called Blog Builder, available on Writener. Of course, you will find many other templates that will guide you in writing your articles, both short and long, starting from any information that is most convenient for you. You can generate new articles from a theme, from a group of keywords, from a title, from an outline, or from a free description. But you will only discover all this by subscribing to Writener and starting to explore the infinite possibilities of your creativity.